Tonight on Live,
I have a boyfriend.
Vancouver Week continues. More from Paul live on the scene,
You're not a news guy. Chill out, buddy.
taking Biebering balls to new heights.
How big are your balls?
Gigantic.
At it again.
Satellite Quizmaster,
Either punch a unicorn or eat a hobbit, Paul.
Eat a hobbit.
Correct.
Sheena looks in your spring bag,
Women smell nice. There's nothing wrong with smell like a nice woman.
a case of horse herpes,
Instead of using horses, we're testing the girls' knowledge and ability to adapt. Can they get to ride stick horses?
speaking out on greatest fears.
My greatest fears are too intense to talk about in speaking out on, I think.
Oh, I can't wait to hear one.
Plus,
Watch out. Oh.
then,
He's holding his kid. Here comes a ball drop. Don't do drugs, kids.
stick around, Live is coming up.